hi class. This is actually the third time I've tried to make this video. I keep having some problems with the technology here, so hopefully this won't bother you too much when you try it. Let me try again. Um, I wanted to step you through what you're going to do with the LearnSmart part of the assignments, basically each week. The first 2 weeks are a little different because they're the first 2 weeks. So this is our LearnSmart assignment here. Here it just says Chapter 1, Foundations, Logics, and Proof. And then again, it comes up here again. So we do part of chapter 1 here and another part of chapter 1 down here. But this is sort of the reading you need to do in the textbook that you're scored a little bit on. I think you get 5 points sort of based on doing this thing. Of course, here's the homework there, right? Homework for week 1, homework for week 2. So we're going to come into this thing and hit continue. Okay, and I'll tell you where I was having the technical problems. So maybe if it causes problems for you, you might just be careful about it here. So this is a version of the textbook, which is also built in here to connect, so you can just access the textbook directly as an ebook. And it's probably better to do it this way than to use the PDF version in the classroom because this one's interactive. So the problem I've been having is if you click on this, it should ungrade this background. You see this little pop-up telling me that. And if I click it again, it should gray it back. However, it's been freezing when I do that, so I'm going to not demonstrate that this time. So basically what this is you can step a page at a time here. That's not really the point of this. We want to step a topic at a time here. So I'm going to go to the next topic and wait for it to load. Okay, and it's loading. Okay, so what it did is this. I've already done some of this. So this green topic, it thinks I've already learned, so it skipped that. And that's because I've done some of this practice down here on this green topic. I'm going to go back to this. So this is the topic it took me to initially. So it thinks I haven't learned this. I haven't done my practice on this thing yet. Now you may read a few of these things. Okay, theoretically, if I click on this, it should ungrade this and let me see these examples better, but I don't want to do that now. Okay, and I can go to the next topic, so it'll take me to the next one. And you can flip through these and go through all these topics, right? And then occasionally you want to do some practice, and basically this little thing will start blinking. You see it's blinking sort of blue and white. It's telling you should do some practice now, right? So I can click on this, and it'll take me to something where I can answer some questions. Right, so it says, which of the following English sentences represents P and Q, where P is the cat is on the mat and Q is the dog is outside. Right, so we want the cat is on the mat, basically, and the dog is outside. And then we got to think about, does but mean the same thing, right? So the cat is on the mat, but the dog is outside. So I think we're going to say that's the same as and here. The cat is on the mat. Sorry, if the cat is on the mat, the dog is outside. So this is not an and, right? This is an implication. And then you can choose how sure or unsure you are, right? So you can say, I know it, I think so, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click I know it. And then it'll grade it for you. It'll tell you, it'll tell you if you got it right, and it'll tell you the explanation. All right, and you can do as many of these as you want. So, okay. And it gives me another thing, right? And then you can switch back to reading. All right, so let me go back to reading. It should take me back to where I was, sort of. And let's see, I don't think we did enough to get it to green. Okay, wait again. I should learn to hum during these breaks. Oh, yeah, it made it green there. Maybe that's where it was green first. Anyway, you can flip through these things again, right? So you keep flipping through, and you want to do this till all these things become green. And that's basically how you say you're done with this assignment. And that's it. That's what you do for this thing.